Hey everybody, we're still down here at the layout, and here's something we found. This is an ancient Trix locomotive. European, probably Germany. And what is in here? Wow, this is heavy. Let's see. Let us see what this is. Trix Express. Looks like some kind of steam engine. Now this looks like a 210. I don't know if that's what's in here, but we're going to find out. Wow, this is very tough to get. I thought it was going to pop right off. Oh, let's look at the back of it. Oh, wow. I had all of these, but I don't. I am going to have one. Now, question is, why is it so hard to open this up? Am I doing it wrong? Or is it just that the box is so old? I can't open the box. It's incredible. Why is this box so hard to open? This is strange. No, the box is okay. See what's in there. It is that locomotive. Wow. No way this runs. I mean, this has been entombed. Need two hands. Gonna come back. Look, it's a pretty engine though. Well, we'll put it on the rails and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.